Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I am here to take your maths class. As you all know, in maths chapter number 3 is going on. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Addition up to 20. In this chapter we have already done addition on number line, order addition and addition combination. What we have already done? Addition on number line, order in addition and addition combination. Today we are going to do the exercise. Okay, please take out your book and open the page number 49. Please open the book and open the page number 49. Where the exercise is given, exercise number 3.1. Open it fast. Now look at the first question. At the match, 1 is done for you. Here you can see table A is given and table B is given. In the table A, there are two color ducks. Yellow color ducks and blue color ducks. And in the B box, here are some numbers. And as you can see here, these ducks, we have to add these ducks and then we have to match them with their sum. Okay everyone? You have to follow your ma'am as I am doing here. Okay, let's start it. Look at the first one. How many yellow ducks are here? 1, 2. Plus how many blue ducks are here? 1, 2, 3. How many blue ducks are here? 3. So what we have to do? We have to count them together. Then we have to match them with their sum. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what is the sum of these numbers? These ducks? That is 5. We have to match it with 5. Now as you can see, this one is done for you. Now look at the next one. Here, how many yellow ducks are here? 1, 2, 3. And how many blue ducks are here? 1, 2, 3. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are together 6. And where is the number 6? Here. We have to match like this. Okay. Now come on the last one. Here we have only one duck, one yellow duck. And here we have only blue, one duck. Now let's count them together. How many they are? 1, 2. They are together 2. Now we have to match them with the 2. Okay. This is the solution of this question. Hope you have done this. Now come on the next one. The question number 2. Look at the picture and answer the questions. What we have to do? We have to look at this picture. Then we have to answer these questions. Okay. How many frogs are sitting on the lily leaf? Here you can see now. How many frogs are sitting on the lily leaf? Yes, 1. Here we have to write 1. Okay. If 2 more frogs hop on the leaf, how many frogs will be there on the leaf? How many frogs will be there on the leaf if they both jump on this leaf? Yes, they are together 3. They are together 3. Okay everyone. Now look at the B part. What we have to do here? We have to show the addition on the number line and write the addition sentence. This sum we have to show on the number line and here we have to write the addition sentence. Let's start it. First what we have to do? We have to come on the number 1. Then how many jumps we have to take? 2 jumps. Okay. 2 jumps forward. Let's do the jump. 1 jump. 2 jump. Okay. How many jumps we have taken? 2 jumps. Now we have to write here. First we have to write the first number. How many we are going to add? 2. And what is the sum of these numbers? 3. This is the addition sentence. Okay. Hope you all have got the concept what we are doing here. Have you done, everyone? Very nice. Come on the next one. Turn the page. Now question number 3 is Tia has 4 storybooks. Her mother gives her 2 more. How many storybooks does she have now? How many storybooks does she have now? What we have to do first? What is the first number? This is the 4. What is the first number? 4. First we have to stand on 4. Now her mother gives her 2 more. Now what is the second number? 2. Then what we have to do? We have to jump 2 numbers. Okay. We have to jump 2 forward. 1, 2. Now we have taken 2 jumps. Now on which number we are? On number 6. This is the sum of these numbers. Okay, everyone. Now we have to write the addition sentence here. What is the first number? This is 4. And what is the second number? 2. And what is the sum of these numbers? That is 6. Have you done, everyone? This is the addition on number line. What is this? This is the addition on number line. Now come on the next one. Question number 4. Here what we have to do? First read out. Change the order in which the numbers are added. Then write the addition sentence again. One is done for you. Here what we have to do? This is the order in addition. We have done now order in addition. That is we have to follow here. Okay. Look at the A1. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And 5 plus 3 is equal to also 8. Here what we have done? We have changed the order. Here what we have done? Here we have changed the order. Okay. Now do the second one. That is the B part. Here what is written? 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Now we have to change the order. This number we have to write here. 4 plus, and what is the next number? That is 5. We have to write 5 here, equal to 9. Okay. This is called order in addition. Okay, everyone. Now look at the next one. That is C. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. All the time if we add 0 in any number, we get only that number. Okay. Yes. Now look at this one. What we have to do? We have to change the order. First we have to write 3 plus 0 equal to 3. Okay, everyone. Now come on the next one. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Here we have to change the order. First we have to write 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. This question we have solved by order in addition. Okay, everyone. Now come on the fifth one. Now what is the question number 5? Read it. Draw red and yellow triangles to show different addition combination for the number 4. For the number 4. Write the addition sentence for each combination. One is done for you. Here what we have to do? As you have watched that video now related to addition combination, here we have to solve this question accordingly. Okay, everyone? Yes. Now look at this. How many rectangles we have? How many red triangles we have? None. None means 0. And how many yellow triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow triangles we have here? 4. Here we have to write the addition sentence. And what is the addition sentence is written? None means 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Now we have to do the next step. Here we have to draw 1 and we have to color it with red. And now here we have to draw one yellow triangle, two yellow triangle, and three yellow triangles. Okay, now let's write the addition sentence. 1 red plus 3 yellow, and the sum of these triangles 1 2 3 4. Yes, and what is the next step? Again we have to draw here 2 red triangles. How many red triangles we have to draw here? 2. 1 2, and here we also have to draw 2 yellow triangles. 2. Okay everyone, now count them together. 1 2 3 4. They are together 4. First we have to write the addition sentence. Red 1 2 and yellow 1 2, and what is the sum of these numbers? 4. Now the next step, here we have to draw 3 red triangles. How many red triangles we have to draw here? 3. Okay, now in next box I have to draw 1. How many red triangles I have to draw here? Only 1. Now count them together. 1 2 3 4. Now write the addition sentence. Red one are 3 and the yellow one is 1, and together they are 4. Now what is the next step? Here I have to draw 4 red triangles. 4 red triangles. And in yellow I have to write none. I have to write none. And what is the total of these triangles? First I have to write 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Okay, that is called addition combination. What is it is called? It is called addition combination. Hope you all have done this. Very nice. You have to do it very carefully. Okay everyone? So bye bye. Take care. Do your work.